Welcome to our geometry class. This class is for high school. Today is a very easy topic. We have to find the central angles and the arc measures in circles like this one. This is one example, one problem. Our topic is finding arc measures. Okay, finding arc measures. So this problem we have to first define the measure of an entire circle. So measure of circle is 360 degree. So I mean the total round, right? Then this is the main key to solve or to work in our class today, right? So since we know this, we have to write an equation showing this that the measure of G FG, okay, GH, right, and also FH, right, to sum the total sum to 360 degrees. So we had to make an equation using these variables, right? So if we write this, we have here measure of FG, this arc, measure of GH plus measure of FH equals 360 degrees, right? So now plug it in. We have to plug in. Next is to plug in a measure FG equals 150 degrees, and also a measure GH equals 80 degrees, right? 80 degrees right there. So substitute, we will have 100 we have 150 degrees plus 80 degrees, right? Plus measure of F or H equals 360 degrees. So now next step, combine like terms. We have to combine like term. We do that, so we will have here M F of H, because we don't know, so this is equals, we add 50, 150 plus 80 is equals 230, yeah, degrees equals 360 degrees. So subtract, now we have to subtract 230 degrees from both sides. All right, from both sides. If we do that, so we will have I am here M F H equals 130 degrees, right? So the answer or conclusion is measuring of F of H. So it's our question here. It's equals 130 degrees, right? That's the solution to our problem. So let's solve another problem. It's very simple, very easy. So let me write another problem. What is the, let's write here, what is a measuring of angle EFG, EDF. So that will be the question in this circle. We have this circle here. Give me some values. Here we have like this, and then we have this number 100 degrees right here. This is D. This is 150 degrees. Here is G, F, and E. All right, we have so we have to find the measure of EDF, right? So again, the total round is 360. So like before, let's write a problem like this. M measuring or angle EDG plus angle EDG F. Let's write F first. F EDF plus angle plus a measure of angle EDG. This one EDG plus a measure of angle FDG. Total is equals 360, right? 360 degrees. So now we have to plug in here a measuring of angle EDG equals 100 and measuring of angle GDF, which is equal to 150 degrees, right? That one. So if we do that, we will have measuring of angle EDF plus 100 degree plus 150 degrees equals 360 degrees. All right. So combine like terms here. Like term. See, combine like term, we will have measuring of EDF plus 250 degrees equals 360, right? So now we have to subtract 250 degrees from both sides. See, from both sides, we do this, we will have measuring for angle EDF will be equals 110, right? 110. Yes. So our answer is measuring of angle EDF equals 110. 110 degrees, right? That's the solution to our problem. Okay, let me erase here. It's very, very easy, right? Let's solve one more problem. One more problem, easy. So today is very easy class. So our question is, what is measuring of again the angles HGJ in this picture? This is our circle. Let's let me write right here. Here. So this is G. This is 150 degrees right here. It's like this. And then 140 degrees, J, I, and H. So with those variables. Again, we just write the formula. Here we have to write measure of angle H, J, G, J plus measure of angle I, G, J plus measure of angle H, G, I equals 360 degrees, right? So we have to plug it in here, plug in which one? This one, angle, emission of angle I, G, J, I, G, J is equals 140. 140. And then the other one, and measure of angle H, G, I equals 150, right? So measure of angle H, G, I, J, let's J here, plus 140 degrees plus 150 equals 360. See? So now combine like terms. We combine like terms, we will have measure of angle H, G, J plus 290 degrees equals 360 degrees. So now subtract, we have to subtract 290 degrees in both sides, or from both sides. All right, very easy. So the answer is measuring of angle H, J, GJ equals 70, right? So our conclusion, so measure of angle H, G, J is equals 70 degrees. So that's it, our class for today. Finding arc measures, central angles and arc measures. Very, very simple using a circle. Okay, so thank you so much. That was our geometry class for high school. So our class is Monday and Thursday at 3 p.m. I am here for teach math Monday and Thursday at 3 p.m. So